If you find yourself locked out of your Discord account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the Discord website or open the Discord app. Click on the login button to access the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Discord account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the password reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Discord with the subject line related to password reset. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Secure your account. Once you have reset your password and regained access, review your account settings. Enable two-factor authentication for added security and check for any unauthorized activity or changes. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Discord account and enhance its security. Always remember to keep your account information safe to prevent future issues.